Is your car more than just a way to get from A to B? Do you want it to last for years to come, performing at its best? Then stick around. We're diving into a comprehensive annual car care checklist that will help you keep your ride running smoothly and safely for the long haul. Your engine is the heart of your car. Keeping it healthy is crucial for performance and longevity. Let's start with the lifeblood of your engine: fluids. Engine oil is vital for lubricating the engine's moving parts. It reduces friction and prevents wear and tear. Think of it as the engine's personal trainer, keeping everything in top shape. Regular oil changes are essential. The frequency typically ranges from 3,000 to 7,500 miles, depending on your car and the type of oil you use. Check your owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommendation. Coolant, also known as antifreeze, regulates your engine's temperature. It prevents overheating in the summer and freezing in the winter. It's like a personal thermostat for your engine. Regularly inspect the coolant level in the reservoir. Also, check the coolant's condition. It should be a clear, bright color. If it's murky or rusty, it's time for a change. Coolant should be replaced every 2 to 5 years. This prevents corrosion and ensures optimal temperature regulation. Don't let your engine get a fever. Brake fluid is essential for safe stopping. It transmits the force from your brake pedal to the brakes themselves. Without it, you're not stopping anytime soon. Brake fluid degrades over time. It absorbs moisture from the air, which can lead to corrosion and reduced braking performance. This is why regular replacement is crucial. Brake fluid should be replaced every 2 to 3 years. This ensures optimal braking performance and prevents brake failure. Your safety depends on it. Power steering fluid makes steering easier. It provides hydraulic assistance to turn the wheels. Without it, turning the wheel would be a real workout. Check the power steering fluid level regularly. Also, check its condition. If it's low or dirty, it's time to top it off or replace it. Replacement frequency varies. Consult your owner's manual for specific recommendations. Keeping your power steering fluid in good condition ensures smooth and effortless steering. Transmission fluid lubricates the gears in your transmission. It ensures smooth shifting and prevents wear and tear. Think of it as the gearbox's personal masseuse. Check the transmission fluid level regularly. Also, check its condition. If it's low or burnt, it's time to top it off or replace it. Replacement frequency varies. Consult your owner's manual for specific recommendations. Proper transmission fluid maintenance ensures smooth shifting and extends the life of your transmission. The air filter prevents dirt and debris from entering your engine. It ensures clean air intake for optimal combustion. It's like a bouncer for your engine, keeping out the riffraff. Inspect the air filter regularly for dirt and debris. If it's dirty, replace it. A clean air filter improves engine performance and fuel efficiency. A clean air filter helps your engine breathe easier. This leads to better performance and fuel economy. Don't let your engine suffocate. Your brakes and tires are critical for safety. They are the primary contact points between your car and the road. Keeping them in top condition is non-negotiable. Brakes are essential for stopping safely. They are your last line of defense in an emergency. Don't take them for granted. Inspect your brake pads and rotors regularly. Look for wear and tear. If they are worn, replace them. Replacing worn brake pads and rotors ensures optimal stopping power. This can be the difference between an accident and a close call. Your safety depends on it. Tires are essential for safety and handling. They provide traction and stability. They are your car's shoes, and you want them to fit well. Check your tire pressure regularly. Use a tire pressure gauge. Inflate your tires to the recommended pressure, which is usually found on a sticker on the driver's side door jamb or in your owner's manual. Check your tire tread depth. Use a tread depth gauge or the penny test. If the tread is worn down to 2/32 of an inch, it's time to replace your tires. Inspect your tires for damage, such as cuts or bulges. If you find any damage, replace the tire immediately. Damaged tires can be dangerous. Rotate your tires annually. This ensures even wear and extends the life of your tires. It's like giving your tires a balanced workout. Get a wheel alignment annually. This ensures proper handling and prevents uneven tire wear. It's like getting your car's posture checked. Your car's exterior and interior contribute to its overall appearance and comfort. Keeping them clean and well-maintained enhances your driving experience. Check all your lights, including headlights, tail lights, brake lights, and turn signals. Replace any burnt-out bulbs. Visibility is key to safety. Check your windshield wipers for streaking or smearing. Replace them as needed. Clear visibility is essential, especially in bad weather. Wash and wax your car regularly. This protects the paint from the elements and keeps it looking its best. It's like giving your car a spa day. Clean the interior of your car regularly. This includes the dashboard, seats, and carpets. A clean interior makes for a more pleasant driving experience. Consider a professional detailing to remove dirt and grime. This can make your car's interior look like new. It's like giving your car a makeover. There are a few other important checks that you should perform annually. These checks can help prevent major problems down the road. Inspect your battery and terminals for corrosion. Clean any corrosion with a wire brush and baking soda solution. A clean battery ensures reliable starting. Check your belts and hoses for cracks or wear. Replace them as needed. Worn belts and hoses can lead to engine failure. Lubricate your door hinges and locks to prevent squeaking. Use a silicone-based lubricant. Smooth operation is key to convenience. Consult your owner's manual for specific maintenance recommendations. Your owner's manual is your car's Bible. Follow its instructions for optimal performance and longevity. Following this annual car care checklist will extend the life of your car, improve its performance, and enhance your safety. It's an investment in your vehicle and your well-being. Keep records of all maintenance performed on your car. This will help you track your progress and identify any potential problems. Good record keeping is essential for maintaining your car's value. By following this checklist, you're not just maintaining your car, you're maintaining its value. A well-maintained car is worth more when you decide to sell or trade it in. So, take care of your ride, and it will take care of you. Now that you have this comprehensive checklist, it's time to take action. Download a printable version of this checklist from the link in the description below. Schedule a maintenance appointment with your trusted mechanic, or if you're a DIYer, gather your tools and get to work. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful car care tips and tricks. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. Let's keep our rides running smoothly and safely for years to come.